Gonna fix this crack in the gutter today with some Simmer Mate from Home Depot. $238 plus tax here in Birmingham, Alabama. Maybe about the same price where you at, or a little bit more expensive. It's pretty simple. You just open up the little tube, poke a hole in the tube right there, squeeze it out where your cracks at, just to seal it. It didn't say how long it takes for it to cure on the label or to dry, so I'm not sure. Hopefully it's just to fix our problem. Want to get a good little amount over what you got. Along here, got a gap along here in this metal gutter. Take a little step, a few pieces of step flashing, run across there, and I'll seal it, cover that gap up.